A four-wheel alignment is a precise adjustment of all four wheels to ensure they are properly positioned according to the manufacturer's specifications. Unlike a two-wheel alignment, which only adjusts the front wheels, a four-wheel alignment ensures that all four tires are parallel to one another and perpendicular to the ground. This service is especially important for modern vehicles with independent suspension systems and all-wheel drive vehicles equipped with road-sensing traction control. Proper alignment enhances stability, improves tire lifespan, and ensures smooth handling in various driving conditions. At RiceTire, we offer professional four-wheel alignment services to help you maintain control, maximize fuel efficiency, and extend the life of your tires. How does a four-wheel alignment work? A four-wheel alignment corrects three critical angles for all four wheels. Toe adjusts whether the wheels point inward or outward when viewed from above, impacting tire wear and stability. Camber adjusts the inward or outward tilt of the wheels when viewed from the front, ensuring even tire wear. Caster adjusts the angle of the steering axis, affecting steering stability and high-speed control. By properly aligning all four wheels, your vehicle will drive straight, handle better, and reduce uneven tire wear. Who needs a four-wheel alignment? Most modern vehicles require a four-wheel alignment instead of a two-wheel alignment. If you drive a vehicle with an independent suspension system, all-wheel drive (AWD), or four-wheel drive (4WD), you need a four-wheel alignment to maintain optimal performance. You likely need a four-wheel alignment if your vehicle has an independent rear suspension that allows rear-wheel adjustments. You drive an all-wheel drive (AD) or four-wheel drive (4WD) vehicle. You recently replaced your tires, shocks, struts, or suspension components. Your vehicle is experiencing pulling, uneven tire wear, or poor handling. At RiceTire, our technicians will inspect your vehicle and determine whether a two-wheel or four-wheel alignment is best for your needs. Signs that you need a four-wheel alignment: driving with misaligned wheels can cause handling issues, excessive tire wear, and reduced fuel efficiency. If you notice any of the following symptoms, it's time to schedule an alignment. Uneven or rapid tire wear. Check your tires. If one side of the tread is wearing faster than the other, your wheels may not be properly aligned. Uneven tire wear reduces tread life and increases the risk of blowouts. Tip: routine tire rotations and alignments at RiceTire will help prevent premature tire wear. Vehicle pulling to one side. If your car drifts left or right when driving on a straight road, your alignment is likely off. A properly aligned vehicle should require minimal steering corrections. Off-center steering wheel. If your steering wheel is tilted or off-center when driving straight, your wheels are out of alignment and need correction. Loose or unresponsive steering. Does your steering feel sloppy or unresponsive? Misalignment can affect steering precision, making driving unsafe, especially at higher speeds. Vibrations in the steering wheel. If you feel vibrations or shaking in the steering wheel, especially at higher speeds, it could be due to misaligned wheels causing uneven contact with the road. What causes wheel misalignment? Several factors can throw your wheels out of alignment, including hitting a pothole or curb. A hard impact can easily knock wheels out of position. Normal wear and tear. Over time, suspension components shift, requiring realignment. Replacing tires or suspension parts. Anytime you change these parts, an alignment ensures they function correctly. Carrying heavy loads. Extra weight can strain the suspension, altering alignment angles. How often should you get a four-wheel alignment? For best performance and longevity, experts recommend a four-wheel alignment every 6,000 to 10,000 miles or at least once a year. However, you should schedule an alignment sooner if you feel your vehicle pulling to one side. Notice uneven tire wear. Experience loose or unstable steering. Hit a large pothole or curb. Replace your tires, suspension, or steering components. Regular alignments protect your tires, improve fuel efficiency, and ensure your car handles safely. Two-wheel versus four-wheel alignment. Which one do you need? Two-wheel alignment, four-wheel alignment. What it adjusts: front wheels only. All four wheels, best for front-wheel drive vehicles with a solid rear axle, AWD, 4WD, and vehicles with independent rear suspension. Improves handling. Corrects tire wear. At RiceTire, our expert technicians will determine whether your vehicle requires a two-wheel or four-wheel alignment based on its make, model, and suspension type. Why choose RiceTire for your four-wheel alignment? At RiceTire, we take pride in offering top-quality wheel alignment services using state-of-the-art equipment. Here's why drivers trust us. Advanced computerized alignment technology. Over 2,400 Google reviews with a 4.6-star rating, voted best place to buy tires. Multiple locations in Maryland, Virginia, Pennsylvania, and Washington, D.C. Fast, accurate, and affordable service. Frequently asked questions about four-wheel alignments. Can a four-wheel alignment fix my car's pulling issue? Yes. If your car drifts left or right, a four-wheel alignment will restore proper tracking. How long does a four-wheel alignment take? A four-wheel alignment at RiceTire typically takes 45 minutes to an hour, but can occasionally take longer. Do I need an alignment when I get new tires? Absolutely. Aligning your wheels when installing new tires ensures even wear and maximizes tread life. What happens if I ignore a needed alignment? Driving with poor alignment leads to faster tire wear, poor handling, and higher fuel costs. How much does a four-wheel alignment cost? Prices vary based on your vehicle. Contact RiceTire for an exact quote. Schedule your four-wheel alignment at RiceTire today. If your car isn't handling properly, don't wait. Schedule a four-wheel alignment at RiceTire today. Our professional team will ensure your wheels are perfectly aligned for a smoother, safer ride. Call or visit one of our convenient locations today.